Christopher, just about in this samba. Perfum Kofia, energy beshe me ba. Afemi dia ubrasi, betuntum no na makase. Mi nyam kupon, nane nyami, uye kesi. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Tunyume radio. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Mama jikwe nyami. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Tunyume radio. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Uye nayada. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Uye kesi, uye kesi la. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami. Uye kesi, uye kesi. Uye nayada.
Sacristode, ose bodenden samba. Befam kofia, niji besha mema. Afemede, obrasia baton tumbo. Namakase, nyame woya kese. Mekrato jo mama jo nyame. Eja woya keso. Woya kesi kesi kesi. Mekra. Ha ha. Woya kesi. Woya kesi.
Nyame wosuo.
Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami.
Tunyume radio.
Uye kesi,
Uye kesi yo.
uye kesi. Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami.
Tunyume de.
Uye kesi, uye kesi.
Mi kratutu.
Mi kratutu, mama jikwe nyami.
Tunyume radio.
Uye kesi,
Nyame aye.
uye kesi.
Tunyume radio.
Mi kratutu, mama jikwe
Na
nyami.
tunyume de.
Uye kesi, uye kesi.
Tunyume radio.
Mi kratutu, mama jikwe.
Mekra tojum. Tonyum.
Tunyume.
Tonyum de. Tonyum a omeka wo. Oh my goodness. Good to be back here one more time
Mi kratutu mo.
Mi kratutu, mama.
on your A1 dial 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon. I believe so who here we are minim baby a wo sha wutie me. But the person me catch you and say nyame onsha wate. Nyame onye okese wate. Nyame ontie mpaibo wate. Na onye wakoma so ade ma wate. Nyame onyi unfri esan ne akwanhie bia mu wate. Nyame onbon ho ban. Onfa nkono onfa mra asomdwe mu. Ewa bra wo ho emasem bia. Ewo Yesu dim. Ewie de me wa me catch me pese me catch wa. Ena ma catch you. Nyame omenye ho. Ka say amen. Me fasa akonye so na me mo akwa ba mra Ofie Kwanso medie so Adom 106.3 FM. And there ya woda. December bo so many dey toso dunson. Kakra. Ye de be kwa kugu. Na ye betwa mu. Atiesi 2021 mu. Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Ephraim Jerry Justice. Papa Bills were African, James Town J. Cole, Faye Prince and so on. And now also, it's not just a no. Every Saturday, copy him when you renew here, and you'll feel quite so. Na bronya na eba no. Yesu so beti bibi bo. No, Christmas is, one such beautiful occasion and as a season. Unim just eba say obi obotomu say unibio but all of a sudden nothing about by force. Oh yeah, there already. Anyway, be a wash up bottom the other Charlie. I feel the Christmas day you mean come home. But who dear bear? You go see no you chop some. Yes. Don't worry. Men titty that much. Why? Ebiato now one cause who plans cry for the Christmas. Festive season here be who say quite crab ben a fast wedding. Because we should be kumani das run you and if any das run you. Just a baby I dry. Bajo Ubedi wate Ubedi and I a bomb pie say election enya one time now the obey win straight not just say eja kromu atimi e de na ye die Christmas afi ade ezu ko ni say ya yi susu we susu ye we susu ye ti ama e son we won ye win ye ene yi kromu timi first can good kromu na timi age ani ane ade ade ba mama mama kromu nya de wa esem bebre mama blue boy manya wi mama kromu nya de mama cash mra wa na fe green boy so a mugusu kromu yin yesem ada se be na Christmas ne be de tinka mo twetwe so kakra na oh my asemo but yeguso boy Adom pie say bibia be asundwem kama me de I've been saying this all the time say obia wa kwanya no say bibi nko yie emawo as oman bapa no wo sa kwanya no amamra na edibu oman ne mawo sa kwan no say obetimi aye oye kire e de a kire say ade wi me bonyo so but yenye no peacefully na ye make sure say yen hwere okra bia in the process na fenso ye make sure say yen say ejapade bia ye oman ne dia ana ankrankra bia ejapade. That is my only problem. In a situation where obe demonstrate peacefully na obi more rekra emu no eno mefuaso obe demonstrate peacefully na ade bia ensey no eno mefuaso di na what demonstrate boko. But in a situation where ya kachire wo ya brabo ayebu imu as a country na ejapade kakra bi na yetimi aye na enhye danso ani bia sa no ye side demonstrating ye side SS anema na abusuya na ye koye nimu ana se ye koye ana ye bae se de ka no sa burning of ties ni ade the other day na ye discuss wa ebe wa adwen say wo de atokwan so na wo hye na wonko hye property bia na bibi. It is just old car tire it is a yen use bi na wo hye no but road na wo de atoso na wo hye no wani beba ho so na wa say kwan no ba bia mo de ties ni bia toto ahye bia no wo de yen hwe de besi ho ensuo beto car fa so ba ko mienu miensa pe ho na be hye ase because tie na wo hye ne ja na yesa no materials na de ye kwan no flammable materials ewom ya eno so no eja ekana ompe etu behwe na eho na ye week tinsuo to na ka fa so ba ko mienu miensa pe na say sika kro ya na ebesan ase ne asan de ayekwan yo ma district de me menka se menkoye demonstration sa osi bibi nkoyi ma wa enne me sada me say on this show I am begging the leadership of the National Democratic Congress NDC leadership no se be yan ko mo ankasa so nkasa because mo na mo kasa mo chitafo ni betie na mo kan show mo say obi antimi stop you from demonstrating and I say on be your demonstration and not there it is allowed a your civic right na mum so mo demonstrate here mo shishishishiniama na no for the bia report by almost share ties ama unse honso openo ateki ayipa effect seriously o e ma grass e wo ni nyina no ensensan no omu twa agya tum a ehihia na we ehia na koso so amanfo dan mu a na ne yie mu no iti ebeya leadership no ene part na chitafo ne nkasa se baby bia every corner of the country a wo bia se NDC ni a person ye demonstration ye no boko ye ni peacefully o ye nso a enkohyehe niema so na some message ni nko down no muntie momo kasa on beti pa why na ye nye sa na oman no de wona ani ebi ni ba bia biem esrem bebre why na mi sham bibia be fine why amusu bia be fine. All right, so yan twaso na Adom 106.3 FM na we foforo kra me aminu aba Celestine Donko ediaba
highly spiritual. This can only be.
She calls this one favor. Tell to go say and can't show say in the morning off and a gusujina and also then every day. And no tibo modia. So my mom can new Airtel to go sim no make a transaction with it there. Airtel to go money. Now bet me a casa free from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months. Now if you're already registered on Airtel to go money, all the is simple, just dial star 110 hash. Now I select option 2. Then you subscribe for the morning offer with as little as 2 CDs. Sebe also no pound so bit me diko concern for free. So don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. And a big force why come home. Almost they stay fresh and win promo. Abba. Once a Christmas near Bassa. Then you may pew pew. Head down, Madika catch your head. Bring your baby. Ubenya BBD. I said. We say festive season in Bassa now. Oh, then you may come on here. By name. Despite the impact of COVID-19. Still now, akwanya ho. So betimi adi, no adi ni biom. Na wani agye. And no big. Stay fresh and win. Promotion. Akwana be fast one so beto a pack of big. One sensitive. Any outlet be a ben obia. Na obehu say scratch coupon be our pack no more. No bomodia say scratch pan on there on. Now what scratching the boko. Now what test the secret code no. E dey call 1393. Now bet me nya kwanya say instantly wait me nya airtime. And now home appliances and now say electrical appliances CB. And now for mobile phones, gift vouchers. Any achede bebre in 2 separate draws. Yes. All these fantastic prizes are up for grabs. Promo no air running out for Saturday Akopim. The 31st of January 2021. Bet always gives you more. Open further details are phrase 0248 311 798. Terms and conditions apply. And still talking about promo on. Makacho say Christmas Baseya. Akonya kese bebreba. Ye betimi abo an wadi ye. Ene ba kon so enam kwan so. Ya alande say sometime. Ya no so betimi adidi mu. Na wani age hu ye pa. Eye de ATL ede bro. Yes. ATL fabrics. And also M1 today year pa. It's our festive season. Where are your perfect gift on Sabbath Miaka this Christmas? I'll bet me the Amawa for. Pan so bet me anya ATL fabric come pa. Na wo de a che omo. Bo say Christmas be a do super onipa no be kai wo. You know what I'm saying? ATL Fabrics, your wide range of brands inspired by African culture and tradition. Now I offer a value for money and solutions to your everyday wear needs. And we are giving you 10% discount on anything you buy from our shop online and in store. It is our Christmas here. You go to your promo now. Hashtag no ATL Brunya Chedie. Yes, that's what it is. ATL Brunya Chedie. Obet me shop at www.atlfabrics.com. And I'll bet me follow you on IG, that's Instagram, and I'll Facebook, and at ATL Fabrics. And yes, also I'll walk into our shop at 40 Kwame Nkrumah Avenue, Adabraka, here in Accra. Address no GA-105-1217. GPS address no. And yes, I'm so bet me our phrase 0244-334-406. And our phrase 055. There'll be 0544-268-974. Channel so say yeah online store no. atlfabrics.com. And please don't transact business with any other outlet in the name of ATL Fabrics. Yeah, ATL, bringing fabrics to life. And should be a bedding come on. Now me want brand new song from Philippa Befi. What's in Kache? What the Nyumphobia Bananunu Ram? Tia Numams Allah. Now Abusia said Nyame Eya Dumwa on the 18th of December. That is tomorrow, Friday, 7 p.m. sharp. Yeah, the MTN Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. Hey, bro. Ding. Who's at this studio? Yeah, virtual, dude. Hey. It's Brana be joining. Na yan kambom na. Yende radiase. It is our show Ofie Kwanso office baby bia wo bia no virtually betimi a join what I say na ya de radiase. We'll be having a sensational time with the MTN Viva Voices and our FL Dynamis. No special kwapa. The amazing hit maker stars of the past and present. Talk about Kel songs, Last Mid, Mr. Drew, Hobby Tuesday, Gabby Nova, Adepa, Kwame Eugene, Omwamwaka Bebede. So make sure to catch the MTN Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols live on MTN Ghana pages on Facebook and on YouTube as well. 7 p.m. sharp tomorrow. MTN, we there for you everywhere you go. Still, I go on some reminder saying if fuel stations in there is safe, so beat me about on the business. Don't worry about coronavirus. It's as they putting measures in place, and they will keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants. For face mask, and also they definitely so to be putting on. They recommend this bank use your electronic payment card no. Make sure the Go card. Let me have one will minimize the cash transactions. Ninyina mu no. Aya kai so be wash on with soap and running water, especially right after handling money. The provide be away in fuel stations across the country. At any time you have coffee and our business, you know. Our be kai say will be used to tissue their cover here now. Now we pay disposing off into a bin. Now, if you are not in a position to wash your hands, Ayaka will be used to alcohol-based hand sanitizer and also ebe boapa. Patrol December in one. The abano say Muti for aya dear pa. Muti for aya dear pa. And it say almost deliver a draw at the amount. So why cry temana kaswan potemo. Free untia for delivery. Eji patro menye ja ho. Ebetimi abase wunua bi wadanfo bi wo maame wo papa wo baby. Obey nro Christmas Eve traffic baby say baby obefa bia traffic I shall say building up seriously pa etu enu de wunya frɛ ya pa wo kyɛ aduro kuna I deliver their brobo ko abra wuntua delivery fee bia na your numbers mienu ba ko WhatsApp na ba ko for receiving call say ukra prescription na ubetimi atwa prescription no na wa send the amount dey afan your WhatsApp number no so you be hwe ne dey say do na bro come up e patch your WhatsApp line no 024-841-0050. I take it again. 024-841-0050. And our personal friend on here Kasanswa 055-813-4375. You can also visit mymuti.mfarmer.com now. So how far away are valid till the 31st of December 2020. Hashtag in good health. Hashtag Muti cares. Afemi Pacho, brand new one from Philippa Befi. Na enomne correct pa. Ofre enu we aji Yesu nkwa. Aji Yesu nkwa. Na ba konso ho. Hallelujah. Two teams said your day ban abo na kasa de hallelujah. Na de ye me den na chese me tie nwum ni na wie nam say anyway the mamini kan ko bawai mamini kan fa we nko prapra kwen why was mini abema o de fako aji Yesu nko a abusia tie nwum yi me ba me de aka no be so Bako. Yeah. Let's go. Talk to me. still enjoying the new one from Philippa Befi. Aji Yesunkwa. And you're not dead, you. A short while ago, I made cat traffic situation. Say Christmas in Yandu, grab us. I shall say, building up easy. Now, they see Antia Yano. Oh, cook must nothing, no decor. Why shall we do a channel? Yeah, here for most traffic, I started from here for
started from Sapperman.
Sapperman, yeah.
Sapperman. Now, try 2 boots now. Sa to Suhum. Calm.
Goodness.
Calm. Now, unim. The amount traffic na grievousness. Unse traffic necessary na bi mpeso omo fa.
Omo yi fa wan na fe omo akwa akoka ni mo na block
Suhum area hoba no. Omo yi afema be block omo free akai kokuma ase.
Do omo nya kwan nko.
Ti obi ma. But the unfortunate part is that there is no police.
Oh, we dey be say. Ene ya na meeting news say Moses say Christmas he traffic ba baby I am from here from.
And you know police was so mutiado.
Almost do mutie and your friend and your friend be for phone na from. To dey catch on preko. From Sapperman go see someone I Suhum gra. Hona obi go bi ba. Timonko situation my wife.
We dey monko na omo ya fa ho no. Momo munim because omo no dima.
Yeah.
Gradually
at least a bit flow. Yeah.
But omo no ba be block here. What happens? They say.
Yeah, nyanko baby. Oh, dear, try here.
Na o kwan van.
You go, yeah, try. Omo di bro na bi asa.
O kwan van. But on bro, normally no, e do bro nya na nkasa na traffic. But before bro nya no, I'm out for the fun.
Yeah.
I'm out for the normal eba. Because I also am out for the normal free the other part of it eba car.
Sure.
I also am out for the fun normally free across the other parts of the country. Jakobane sana. Na my cars na doso. And na first years we dey before bem na nsamanfo nyina bem ne ade. But oha e
ya no mo say mama wataso man girls na mo abatan.
E business because amanfo be fa no mo beton. Ebi mo so di bi ba ha ba beton.
Sure.
From now on till 24th. Who say normally do 25th traffic ni.
Who say ayi
because that time we be able fa the normal view normal.
Awa na mo so etu kwa so etu awi we be settled.
The bar is 30th. Nyane muda ho. Normally from first going no mom could die holidays nyina no. Almost so bani ade no your best friend. Say we are shenkani a D-line him. Sure.
Enyi fa ho no.
And I police ni so na otie akọ.
Okay.
Okwa na obi ayi afa ho ache no.
Okay.
No fit.
Sorry ko ate. Oche no sa na head. I was your first like I said, my proud sponsors on my boy down there now, Freddie Couch Medi. So now you really happen, come up in Sofia. Now you're in common so FU. Come on. Right, and no, Bell Chapman. Yeah, if he Bell Beverages. Come on. Where any the new party sensation in town. And patrol festive season here. Otop Nubiana Bell Chapman and Pimu and I just a wonu nim de crop. What I say? Come up. Lime womb, black currant womb, lemons womb, vitamins peanut womb, but a low in sugar. Available in 330 and 500 ml bottles. Bell Chapman, a special cocktail, papa. Unya beer, a cool year. 1 pack beer, unya 16 bottles. Price also that cool. Available on market, baby. I do drop pound for Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and our fee 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for lives happy moments. And the AGI and our fee so Ghana Standards Authority. I can't be more introduce you the Obasima seal. If I chose Obasima seal, you know, a special seal beer. Yeah, they are bought food products, Pinmo and Chrome. Enti uko markets na uko top food products we now say Obasima seal no one. It means that food products no 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, ebeboa umpomode ho samni bi pa. Eye de ma obia ne titru yenu anamo mai. So choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. Vivo smartphones and also NIA can for the amawo. Bomodiama on Sakan Biotim Zampa at the papa na watono. Esan say ade bia ye papa e wo mobile phone bia ne kese pa ne papa pa ye dey share Vivo smartphones emo. It ye ban a camera you cry the best. E ban a long lasting battery so you cry the best. E ban a big storage so you cry the best. In fact, I'll switch it to Vivo smartphones. Ubenya the best out of everything you will need in a smartphone. Mansan count the phone shops out on them across the country. The door panel Johnny Communications Ubenya 0244 329 897 and our face Stranger Phones 0244 684 642. Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality. Abusa Emma will be NTT Alpha who did so. Take note, say, and the 2016 Ghana AIDS Commission Act 938 makes it an offense or best stigmatized and answer be discriminated against Ubia or war HIV and Ubi or AIDS and now Ubi or war TB and in Yarwa who do be no Ubi Tifia be in rent and so yes, I are in T2. Unipani ye Jumo very competent pies, none one day go consult for your darumenti. At least when you are busy, you were dear Cotinefi. No. Fred Wapcast na indi was a mouth 0302 241 452 and now be Fred world af Ubenya Pubuno lawyer no we dia asem na mouth 0552 I am fan for 055 623 3494 and now 055 623 3474. Dominion about powder and also air boa ma watimi anya strong immune system na ni nyina mu na san boa anormalize blood pressure na fe heart and kidney related problem na won so ye fio wow there diabetes and access stroke obi on so ye adwuma keto bia na wabreda bia na ho ye ne ya ochi bremu yi timi tutu a onom Dominion about powder e be hwe na ayu afisa how we nyina emu e available e wo herbal shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country. Dodo Pano. Angel Dominion about Center Chakwan on Coco, yes, our phrase 0543 158 195 and now 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. If I chop Bronya never know now a dukra we Edenya obetrefia mafo ba be sound kola nso Christmas day aduane ba ko edi akotene pa ya aduane a ye de emo na aye ene ese mutuo na abetwi kra ya rice ya se hwi ni fie na sardine ba ko bi na okra utimi de ya anwa mo so won be di afili your love no so set na set na plain rice and stew bi betu kra fried rice there all the michi aya kai so beisu a food lover special fragrance rice a more de ye pa now we know a special long green rice it create the perfect level of perfume and your usual or regular rice and to o de wrong a rice meal bia e ko ye na e de e wo question ko so pa o sesem na feeling they are available at our shops and stores and supermarkets. I don't need them. Somewhere there to your own for medias, but before we do that, no, yenin komoito na fi we are yen to aso.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Bemena. Na nice one. The Nyamia say na watching so they are chain na wasabe kayen sabiem. Last week you dim komo kakra ne ade a na enei ye hwe naja yesisi so na yenkoye nim na de omu ne say time for omo to send there
obia ho ye papa
momo kra de nse se ebisa mu say
ebidro fie open hahama papa dia this time heba center
for ya bia mo den sa yes ele ya mi ase na yen hwe na yemmo nwram na ebia and then the very first day I will be 8 years ankomo on trader bomodin na ewo ani kakra na time heba center for twumedie potian wen di no etimu chen
mate medaso akwenya ode amame yebechia etiefo ne adofo nyina ene nso yeda foforo obo ade de achen hyene nso se ade chiu bia na konkotodwani ma na wada de chese obo ade ase na wada na si awie no ade baako ese wodwene ho ade baako ese hwehwe akiri kwan eye apomuden eno ntinti na dande nyina yebetena sese ya yetwe wadwen esi so yese fa wontuma ebebo ye de no ye time herbal center for ye na ye fro no yare edunya yare etetew yare impoada no so kwankro a umpo wonim se wanhwe betima to a na namo se do no de hia ne se do ani eba be kire aso ye yebetu sa yare na se e de ama o hyene nso se ope edu papa ye hahama fie pa dia time herbal center for ya so ye Dr. Kennedy Owusu Ajiman abowura kwa ya bretuom akokika hahama asiani enya haban ba akopɛ daabi ye hahama a onim se betumi asa yare na impo etu yarewa ase enu ntina wa ba che se ode esa enyarewa ebro adwene entiase so sisi adansidi a eba no ye kwampo ne che se abro so enu nti wa che se wonte yen ka na ne wutie ye no nsutu anamo Boremo drugstore License chemical shop pharmacy shop bia bia kwa wo so open time herbal mixture answer ne beto anko twetwem sa na se mechichiru mu de ntie so koto time herbal mixture no dikanje doctor number me pacho 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me pacho betumi afre na atwetwe enkomo me pacho mu yenkan hu se yare a ehu yare a eta che se emeto ananam e won se do yare eta tete ye pa ye malaria me pacho ye maame na se papa no be friend a 3D yare se wu tie me na se sa nyare we bi wanga so won se na se symptoms bi start e den di hu che se entete hu ana se hu sunsuanso ni bi no wanga so won se na se no ma enkoye oni padua ni ma aduro ba kwa ese ba otrim na ubowre mu drugstore License chemical shop pharmacy shop na okoton ye time herbal mixture shene so mam say time ni TIME na time de yin nim say eye bre enu nti ene no bre no aso me pacho abra obobo time herbal mixture no say uti a edwa obu na bo se ni ti ebo ne ga ni ti mu pae no ogene ho a enje adwuma kura wontumi enkobi oda so eda faako me pacho abra benom time herbal mixture no ebebo yi sa ho yi afuru so obi su kwampo dem say awia ebo ne ye pe baabi akɔhye wosumo obi o say wa ma michini amenkɔ na so nipa da sani de o say yemfa ni kosi awia nim no nkoto awia aden chese awo edno na no kabo ne ho puse che me pacho ningi na symptoms of malaria abra obabobo time herbal mixture no sansunsuansu ya na se mposa how e be free ni pedua no so akọ na me pacho hye no so mam se obi bia wanom time herbal mixture bia di ho adanse se ansa ne yare kra woni pedua no kwa chese nyarwa miensa ana enan ebia na wutie me wa ahoden but uni apomoden na ansa na bo se chese uni apomoden ni mbibi kwoto time herbal mixture nenom na hwade enioma be free ni pedua no pia besen akwa bonten no wankasa esewani enu ntino bu abosa awo ede no na no kabo so ne ho puse che se nipa na bra obenom time herbal mixture no acha ye 30 minutes ubosi mfifiri boni bi esane no na mfifiri na chini bosa ne ho astart bae no se nipa na nkoda wa nanka ne ho no boso gina park so no obobo boso wa hye na tare o se me kwa adwuma ye time herbal mixture me pa cha won so na matidi nti onum ato ana ubu ambosa atidi ne ba no so sa pe kona na simpo no astart den di no bosa ma nanum ato aduane besi nanim kra wontumi enidi ode ho no wapia asinche me pa cha aduane adane den nyina yedi yenka hu se hiama ni padua no be se ubetumi akọ abasumdwem ubetumi aye adwuma impo betumi tutu anamo asisi ya ni nyina agina aduane a wudie so ti yehwe a chese dan den nyina nam to ayetu inso aye no menuane ayedi no etimi de problem ebre ni padua no abra ho no time herbal mixture na beboa am wanum ada ho wanum ebeti enu ntra me se chese o mpese yare eba bedi unya o pese eti de yare ba betete odia ma wonsanka time herbal mixture na bra wenye bia wanom ne ebemu onum ate wanum ebeda ho aduane no ubedi amiaka se home to wadidie so me pacho ka krampo no amfa fuo enwuma ospakia enje so sampe pepe na nipaduane etie mo na che se wudidi na wutumi enya hoden na dwumadie bia de wani bia watumi aye ne waye ne ye enu nti me pacho waduane diem timato abam wanum ato obi tafre si chekura sebi mpredar sete se de ware bese no obi tafre wo a wontene ede me pacho eba ne se hu se nyoma enkoye nyoma aye basa nyoma atoba ha abra no nom time herbal mission e beboa wanum ebetene wanum ebeda ho nso ubedidi edidi oni hodie nyina aka ho me pacho wutie me na mati diare nti obi nso wo a okokete so a wontumi enna omuni kofa na omuni abafa obemuni muni sana ade ache obi kwa se Dr. Manda acha e 3 hours ne mani ate ne ni guwiem se ya me pacho ma onsanka time herbal mixture Dr. Naman me sanso esisu bi enfise number no ehia eno na wo frɛ Dr. betumi nya no 1-on-1 na atwetwe nkomo ye Dr. Kennedy osu ajiman number ni 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 me pacho okokete so na wontumi enna kan hu ze nyoma enkoye emfa ma wo de ahwade bi o se na me nantem ana se na me ko all night me ko watch night ena me ye program se na me ntumi enna ade chen se na ho eyew boss wani so ehyehew boss honam eyew basa wonam kra se wutu atodi entia wo de ennaka me pacho entina se ema ennam chese emfa how emre ni paduan okokete so da na da yie bi se adwuma na wo ye na adwuma na edin enu nti edura na adwuna se wo have rest unya chese ahomgie wo je wa home se da bi ade che benya hoden foforo nanso obi wa na matidi yare nti chese malaria nti no okokete so wontumi enna bo se honam ye ne basa omuni kofa no omuni abafa me pacho abra ba no nom time herbal mission e beboa wo ama okokete so obetumi ada no wada yie ti sisi na entwentwe na ase ebi sisi a wutie mo yare da yare mpaso wankasa mu ntumi enkwa so mabofra bi oben na onkoto time herbal mission emfa emro na de ede na enwanwan so no se enya afi na doctor ebeka cho se brana so e ansa na wanya yenu pa bi dabi drugstore bi ebe online chemical shop pharmacy shop bia kwa onsa beka time herbal mission yetu na tese enu nti se wo yo ba na se wonsu tie menu aba dan de nyina pinisi a wusie adwendwan wudwen nyina ejina ye menstrual pains menstrual disorders so obebobo se chese ne nsabuom no edu time so bu ne nsa na chese obo ne nsa no obebiti medwena na ne so krampo ate obebi so tie mse semria be 2-3 months na se mpo no bosome ba ko achi no omu ne nsa da waye test bia so ye nso enchese onyem me pa cha o ma onsanka time herbal mission menu aba na beboa ne besiesie ni pedua no ebema moja ne edi afusa ne kama intini ne be ye adwuma bia eseye ene bosome na so no ebe flow kama obebia obosome so a ese eba pole 7 days na so obebi wa mse acha 3-4 days na eto atwa menu aba wanhwe a daachi bia ebema awo ho ayedin edi ama wanhwe impo daachi ni je entumi ma busuan a wutimu fese awo a entumi ama no wonse onum ne nkumafo ebedi wani ma onsanka time heba mehebebo ebema ye obesima ebesiesie obosome so o mensis ne ebe flow kama ama dande nyina nije tumi aba wafa entina se obebo otumi dwene sa enakura wontumi ennabi ene se obebu ne nsa bewie no bo se no so ati se hwim mepa chaw nom time heba mixture eye tete mpon ayobo adensa no nobuna hahama nuahini enutane ne de aye hwetete na ne eni chese abrofuduro bia wo eye hahama ya ne nananom chese o makeka asiani ene obi atidi yare ha no obi a no ma enkoye oni pedwe ne yesiko sebinom na nipa ne be sa aduro ne be wie na chese obenom no bo se ne ho ato no na aposo nyina aye den ene timo me ntwe ene ne enkoye achi ne yembo enupa ne bi ene ntina time heba mesha abana ebeboa yen ebe siesie ni pedua no na etu nyarewa ase ede amayen ene tisisi yemfe ni enchemo drugstores lines chemical shop pharmacy shop bia ben bia me pacho wa na wuntumi enkwa somo bi oben bia ongoto time herbal mixture emfamro hye so ma me time ni time abra obobo bi ne besiesie menu aba obeye obesima e menstrual pains menstrual disorders no eto ebetwa edi amount dan de nyina na ma obosi wani age obebo na boso me ebeso kwampa na chese wa ye ni monyampe obi hu no kwampa chese obi frɛ ne kwana ne bu afu me pacho ne so ma me anase obi su kwampa hu se ne nua bi yare na se obobena o tete o se wa hwe de o kyerɛkyerɛ me pacho agro no yanka ni wachi ase agro no de ne mum se yare kan to na bu se yare hu ya na so obi benya nso na efi yare ama me ne wan se fi yare pacho esmas ya yawura ma wie entina se ma yare enka ho nto no wanhwa wo mfɛfo anase onamfofo ekwa obetena se din no akase anti me pa na me nie anase me hu yanka me pacho the word me hu yanka ne fato nkyɛn ne tutu anamon ma onsanka time herbal mixture time herbal mixture eduro na bebo eduro na besiesiu eduro na madanda nyina nije tumi abate se wafam eyabusua enchemfa maame papa wutem mofra modi from 12 years going no omo ho akonya se so omo time herbal mixture ebebo mofra na momanya hoden de na efesa awofo na se maame papa wutem akọ adwuma na wo ba na wabofra dimirika ebehye wabeje bag efe keke nanso wobekọ fie bi mu no bo sabofra ne da ho na wo bre wo tete obunkamfa so adan yare tete no mepacho esi nya bisi ye center table no so ye mpaneti fiefie ho chese busua enchemfenti no esi ni kwase nke bi pa ye fiefiem de bia de time herbal mixture ene abofra ne tuna ne ohu akase ma ene me no maduro ne bi watumi amane bi amane ho atumi ato ne ho atumi asisi ne ho so eye time herbal mixture time herbal mixture me sanso esi number no so bia mepacho me nyanto boase onso nyanto boase na twero ma me no si ya frɛ na ne doctor entwetwe nkomo 0244 417 669
again
0244 417 669 me patch sisi a open nupa ni bi ato akọ drugstore line 6 chemical shop pharmacy shop bi ebe no nsa ebeka bi ya da tiefo nyina
ya me Adom next week ebeshia me patch check the time ne mame just about 18 after 4 Ozutie 106.3 Adom FM. Abusia Ofie Kwanso medie no enie. Na bia eduru so no. Ye ba behwe asemo adi tu onfo na awie. But before we do that, me patro nya just a minute mam na 8:30 sa anwu we mam wa me fa mamu nyina afishia pa na fa yewie a ye nti asemo a ye di tu onfo.
Afishaba, Yamawa Afishaba, Adom FM Afishaba, Afishaba, Yamawa Afishaba, Yamawa Afishaba, Adom FM Afishaba, Afisi Sena, Obiara Tingram, Orite 106.3. Sena Obiara Tinkwamo Orite 106.3 Adwo Yamina Tumarakwa Yeda Watinkwam Afi come up to Yevio. One more time Adwo Yamina Tumarakwa Yeda Watinkwam 106.3 on your day. Adom FM 106.3.
Afisa say na bibia e fine. Afi nya abotre na tie asemo ene ye di tue onfo dwumadi so. Na ansa na yebeti asemo ede etu ye hofu yi no. Happy birthday Kesepa Enkoma Lady Edna. You can't Lady Edna na ye patre Edna of Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Nyame aye na dum aka ne ho ama wadi 50 years. Beautiful. Na the birthday no de aso. Nemum nyame eya adum a kwasieda a edi animi. Sunday the 20th of December 4 p.m. sharp. Yetwahyiam ewo Bayview Village Atomic Junction. Na yato yebo ase na 50th anniversary no ye diniye pa de ahyenyame din konkro no enyam. So Lady Edna nyame onsha wate na ye train the next 50 years no so edu ane a celebrity 100 no kuku pa ware ase nyame ka na onka unuama na aka no so ho Mama Monica and Mama Cynthia Munina Nyamin Shamo, daughters of glorious Jesus. Lives are ladies me and say touch you as I see soon. Nyame di omwa ye adwuma o. Nyame di omwa ye adwuma papa. Na debia me Sarah din shirama mo. Sarah din kosu shiramo. Se mo aveli mo ho amanyame e de mo aye na adwuma. Right abusua yenti asem wa edi tu ye hofo tauna yenko. Enra me no kan bibika kakrafa attitude ho. So be kai amamen na wura fi amin kai kakra bi. Enra asem na ye hwe no no say a good attitude doesn't come from having the best of everything. It rather comes from making the best out of everything. Tine hu be hia say abreni abribia no betimi edan ne pedi emfa ho say situation a wo mu no eye that bad ne ade enye se wo favorable condition bi mpa ansa na obetimi ada bibia di amiaka eno na wonye hwe ene ehwe ne nra na ene de na ye de to aso still on attitude no e ka chen say you can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. You can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. And ya bribia na de ni be yo okay amount chale ne de ne de chale ne ma ko yi o ne na chese obi bia ye kama de amount say who out me say I mean that good looking like when you are easy going chale why that lively ni ade say bibia ko yi e de amawo. But abreni na no se empo se da no ye da bone ma o anko ye enema bi twitwa wanam challenges here and there chale problems we say now through it all no ultimate faces are day no with a good attitude na enra ye kan ho asem na eno boa o e ma brain abribia no obi bia o ye bia ekoyi ema no matter what it meant on kan enche say you are waiting for a good day. You are waiting for the right opportunity. You are waiting for the right time. You are waiting for that day that everything will be perfect. No, that day may never come. Yes. But if you have good attitude, it doesn't matter say when you're bad day, terrible day, or even a cursed day, you can still face that day. Na bibia will be successful for you because of your attitude. Same way, obi so what bad attitude. Ebetimi anya good day, great opportunity betimi abanakwem, but because onipa kuni ni good attitude inti, obetimi mess up. So you don't have to cross your fingers waiting for a good day to come your way. And sana wetimi making move. You can still make that move. A bad day no with a good attitude. Na bibia beko ye e de ama. As long as my proud sponsors a boy MT is as we did 2 years for e wo dwumadi so. No any door master and Pubiman paint depot. Abusia banai keke wo de mi kan enye se why sika ready so kwa akotonti na hoko. Ba se be na be hu asem na me ka che on e no kre me on. Na say na nipa ntan ni adaje. I na pressure no so. Ti etoda na masoma African kakra. Mr. Joe, go and do this inquiries near their day. If you go, you make no just tell them say you be African, we from Adom, blah 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 blah. But say okay, boss, I hear. Now, wakwa no my boy chida mame. And yes, I na kwan bamua. Me timi ko. No my boy chidi. Na no ada me te say door master and Pubiman paint depot. When you badge me dey so no. Na me bisa wan ase no mo chechi na this is too good to be true. Some butchie na me hwade. Etu be kaya, me intro, me be kan ha say because of omunti, me do honam so ne me nkɔhwɛ house of folk for Pobiman project no. Because now me agasa pass me to afia say me call there. But because of omo anam person me kɔhwɛ de ekoso onti no. Me ye nam so okay ne ma wi a me san toa so na me hwɛ the house for no so ye e Pobiman ho. Na me drive kodu door master and Pobiman paint depot nam say na say ne we kura there. The match to many mikra iswa. Abusuya, you can also check it yourself. Okay? From Accra Central. At the best in Kofatema, the Befa best in Kwa the Kodu Pobiman. Ube track or there and the other wild case. But what the upper check it. A day see who near money na check it prices. Nature quality. Fakao. Now the we are Kodu door master and Pobiman paint depot. Na efa compare omo de enhwe. Prices in that form say better. Omo na ye country representative. Edema news paint. Ye feel top class quality paint papa. All colors, textures na dia. Bibia. Wow dan baby asino. Ensuo to anache se enene wo no upenti wan sisi anasan se ne dan hu frofro ne ade omo materials wo for the sad de be treatment ni na mawa everlasting e kwa emabiem ya ye secret roof na ma baby leak ni ade your materials on mo e de be gu so de ya te se unya sa problem ni biem me am de mani kroto wi akwa hwe ne ma ni nyina abachire makoma check prices eni kasem ni say Omufidi any timi makes it paint ni color bia opebia within the shortest possible time nowadays. Na Christmas yi aho ba be saw na fie so ai ba sai sika so na ni wa di painting enu nti do mo de aba ne say paint now pay later, paint now pay later. Kwaje paint no nefa ko twida no ho na nyefe wato bo ase atwatwa ne kakrakra ompewi na apede na eba no doors nso de a owurade asoto bebre masa wa hu de wunchusu efe ye wo bulletproof de ho ye wo de fire resistant de say different doors ya wunya bi di kosisi wa proper tim say yes ofie no ye guy prices no so da from boko top class quality ones from Turkey, Germany, Italy just say abusu anya easy. Door master and Pobiman paint depot. One kasa ko. E mama se mo ye tintin. Na kwa e chiri o frame ya ubedi hu adanse. Simple and titia. Waterproofing ne sa damp proofing ne de ken kan ho wallpaper no ne ade primers ne pot ne de ken kan paint accessories bibia marine coatings nyina bi e wo ho. O hwe hia kwan ye Pobiman udu tobutu ono pe ujina tobutu a wani tua ho bo se ya tro ho kese pa tobutu no na Pobiman ha ya kolakra be kiro enya sa de tro number etu na bibia ni afrom 0542 745 222 afi 050 021 2447 mintimu bi maw 0542 745-222 and 050-021-2447. Now on the door master and Pobiman paint depot Eddie in Kitahon. I feel police in Edruno in boost about mixture. Edrowi a yedruzo and yedru because we are real ultiminum. Ne system no we any den ti yare bia ntimi mouse system no mu na fe bi kra wonam we yare bi hye ho but you don't know, you are not aware of it eno abekwa hwehwe sa yare wani na wapam mu na fi system no mu ama na chese wa ye adwuma ni na manasi tinesi police in Nedron im boost herbal mixture no bi hwe na aba be nipa foforo vim ebesan babiem King's Walk Herbal, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Afe alternated and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's and our Little George Health Shop. Yeah, and also a war Tema Community 5. Ebio and yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. And they MTN says self-activation for Momo no Adom. It's you phone about star 170 hash for MTN Momo. Was select a 4-digit PIN number. Then you re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. After this, ubenya a messenger and no air confirm your activation. But in an unlikely event, just some message number. Now I contact you in various digital platforms, and now where you see my MTN app for further assistance. Next I say, and they'll bet me I'll link your bank account with your mobile money wallet. Say be our life be easy at the amount. MTN Momo and no any fastest, secure, and most convenient way. Y'all bet me they are transacted business and they terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Christmas by Ben one when we are ne obechichinia dia. Enkoyusu anwafun bia eno kire bi akofa yare abegya woni abusua no so. De ye kanfo de ama wo eye mom's recipe sunflower oil. Papa ebo adwuma bruta na den so ye enye de ya na de da na fe tuatua wuntin no tinema a wo chechecheche shito bi a wo ye jollof no de kenkan stew ya wo ye nyina kai mom's recipe sunflower oil. You want the sizes P the obotum beso so no na wato e de akusi fi modin kakra. Mom's recipe sunflower oil, a taste of goodness. Our market baby o pedodo pa 020 154 3938 na wajo de na call baby time about Mr. Afonso ne yete o monka no waka sem ni na akiro dada ne mo mji number no fa HD 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 and they a ban treatment of malaria fever there wa woni tua say no a time herbal mixture wonu mu ato untimi ni di honam wa ye nyina ebeko na fe won saka KNG herbal capsules bi nso a eno aboa and therefore general well-being ho be ye odin kama pa na bibia nso etimi akoyi ede amount na woko eye King's Walk Herbal Repatch Ventures afi so Rich Jones Zidos Herbal na honi na o kashi drug lane bi o na afi woko eye Ecos Pharmacy by class Larry na afi with them ani na wa shama ho so beja bi afi Tribe of Judah e wo kaswa na Pharma Trust e wo Wija Junction honi na no Osabeka in Ribi. Yes, number am the man na no afre 0244 417 669. Na bibia so etimi akoyi e the amount. Still, me ma official pa.
Official, ya mama official, Adom FM mama official, ya mama official, Adom FM mama official, office sena, obiara tinke, orite 106.3, office sena. Say 106.3. Adom, Jamila to Maragua. Yeah, that one to I've come out to yes, yo. Adom, Jamila to Maragua. Yeah, that one to yeah, we say 106.3. Adom FM 106.3. Yama hunyara afishaba. Yesu kumadele. Afishaba.
Yes. Yami baby bia kama. Afishaba. Komo bibia otie. Baby bia wo bia. Yes, nyami Asia edema. Empire born say afi 2021 edi enimu a ebe. Nyami onhia ewo ekwan sonko so sebeye na de odo sabeka bia no ɛbɛyɛ nhyira na wobɛtumi adi yie ɛwɔ akwan nyinaa emu. Wanka amen. Oh, amen. I'm waiting for you. Yes. Good. I'm sure. All right. So we're getting ready. And Chibiano. Yeah, the irrigated sports. Ebe twaso edi amount. Ewa Adom 106.3 FM na eja diako any dear beninano. Also wait me ehunu. Now before we do that, shouts going out to you, Emilia Isampon, Valentina, to say, I believe say on eye pa. Nyame shira. Obeye kese, wate? Obeye kese. Bibia be fine. Na mo fase ba ku di na woda ne. Na mo fase kuma no asend message e di aba. Say menhwe na men roma no. Say Uncle Jerry, good afternoon. This is Ryan David from Hanover. My sister Rebecca Nana Ajwa Kwabia is 19 years old today. Yes. So my mom and dad and myself, we are wishing her a happy birthday. May God bless her richly, wishing her success in her graduation and any other thing in her life. Bibia kabiano. Nyame Anthony Shensu Ingusuna Enya Kama Emano Ewo Yesu Dim. So a happy birthday going out to Rebecca. Hanover. It's from your mother Evelyn, from your father Nana Kwame, and from your brother Ryan, and from myself. We all wishing you a happy birthday. Enjoy your 19th anniversary, and may the good Lord bless you. Okay. Empa ba ku bi fan twim sisi a na yemfa empra kwam na yewie ni sana na ye de irrigated sports so aba beto aso e de amount e wa Adom 106.3 FM na ayi nyumi kura wen kura ayi okay what's it day? Nyabutrema baizia.
Yeah. I see. Oh, what's up with it? No harder. I never die sick. Obi don't see that. Abasama nambada. Iti jai mawaka. Wale kampone pempada. Amena muluko no wada. Ya buda da yenkeni bronya. It is a tanema na tanema. Ya no malo. Malampo mo mawapa bentino. That's a tanema. Ya no malo. Ya no malo. Chilima. Ya no malo. Ya no malo. That's a tanema. Ya no malo.
So time ya no. All time ya better than with me steady. Happy birthday going out to you, Kwabena. Kwabena, o middle name no me who etino. The otro no bano be chechi uche me amesa to as why.
Nebo hamadu watamfu. Osikeni watamfu. No yen suko watamfu. Ameme watamfu. Na wusu sumpo watamfu libi. Tene na ya no malo. Chesem na na kana semibi. Asini penyi na si wada wadie. Oh die. Eno ni penyi na pa wasema hadie. Ukofuna watu wazana na watu wazana. Na wansi na wasi da dusifahi. Tu wazana na
Jay wish my senior brother Nana Kofi Dakwa aka Kodak a dancey boy of London a happy birthday for me. Hey, and a happy birthday Kodak. Oh London Nana Kofi Dakwa Nyami Onsha we fear your chame Ama Konche all that busia ebrena so say you room na ye de irrigated sports at Twaswema 106.3 Adom FM TSA hono ye bema mpanifo akasa na fe ye de nkomo no so atwa so e wo ba bia wo bia
well please irrigated sports a perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports, papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Yes, I'm your crown.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mity manage na me stress
No, one was graduating. Offer.
The OPE program one dedication fast sports one. Irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Kwaku Joso.
And put him to say.
Edi ampo nyanko pon adom ya tempo anu die kwaku. Na anwemu an ya tie.
Okay.
Na me say empanifo asu de chese me yanko brebo na me ne chade. O ye na ne chade won kokko. I Hosempa or film ya to weekend idea and I didn't put so on Coco.
Okay.
Mr. Christian Asante Jani. Jan near family, I just say, oh, I'm bookshop. One was a bookshop here na ura you go now. Papa your office this
to was not more about
Papa your office.
Nyabutema man, Nyabutema. Oh, Nyabutema man, oh. Kwame Mwano. Kwame madum ni mic, madum ni die no. Kwame. Madum ni mic ntu kasa. Mesi madum ni die no kasa. Kwame. Mesi madum ni mic do kan dey come from kasa.
Water hona. Bebu awuram no se na bookshop bi wo ho. Na only bookshop no dan ye family name.
Oh, okay.
We from ya into weekend di ye na ye won kokko.
Yo, where? Well, so we. Afi open here kwaba.
Mini hebi.
Je ko ba cho monitor match no.
Oh yeah, the form kaba. No. Also o monitor me mouse score line.
Asante so
kwaku.
Coach maso kuna do ntimi nya adwuma.
Me see se o three
ntimi nya adwuma no. Tete otimi nya adwuma no openi.
Enra.
Otimi nya adwuma. Otimi tram Olympic Saudi a. Let's otimi nya adwuma no.
To da kebu kai.
Oh jai.
O ka so me ka tia no.
Wait, enya ma reho tese me mo ko ntimi nya adwuma.
Oli Bobo, Oli Rosalinda, Oli Ronaldo.
Mo edi amuso mbehye mo. Yetim bia hye bia mbehye mo.
Ade Olympics.
Ye nyina na yetim ne nye. Ye nyina na yetim ne nye.
Kwaku, me ka cho say.
Yes, ye pam man so kladu yankofa broni ni bimra.
Oh, sre.
Very simple. Ye pam man so kladu yankofa broni ni bimra. Man so kladu adwuma no ntimi nye. Ya na obi na me penance mpa but adwuma na mse ni refi.
Enti eka ba ko am eda for me tina
so na the commentary no more no entro no mutwade a oli eye pasa enye so ma che ba
just one bomb pa
say o ye ni ese e glass na wako ye no wa bobo yi ene e da mu vivio sa up to now
there be Olympics new mini
Olympics o monyo
Oli Dade Oli Rosalinda
Oli bibia bi o omo de
Oli stadium Oli what 1.5 Oli mama Oli Okada
omo na so okromo
omo bunya no za o
kwaku emprepre de astane na bi su shem kwaku kotokoso okacho se nraso be bon na me bo bo kugu Olympics
onzo wie onzo wie
na ubu mi bembe so san repeat sa be na ubu mi na Niko kasi ya
mpon bebe na obuyi
obu baby me kasi ya mpon ya obu me kasi ya mpon ya obu me be sa be no
ye beti ahyo mo
ozu ye dey ndi
ye beti ahyo mo
ye kwa how many minutes
right
aka 5 minutes
still I want na aso plan do beko
on ko we bia oni ba bia ko
oni se broni bi so okroma
ayi nwum no akwabo anu mini ba bia ko
oni se broni
ma wasu obeku chi o
mosu
se de broni bi e ba be se akire no broni bi so abakrom ejo na on to papa so sa
but when was man now ka last time no is Kenny roots na ka se o ya so mpe yi no anka ye nyi we na show
oh na openi makajo se mi mewu na no kra na
information bi a mi nya ne je se akwaje so anya so ye fa ni ko bi fufuro waso won pene wotimi ni mu kra yeah
David Duncan there no
one o nya Duncan o je so person Duncan ko
that is a chira no chi no
ni tira wo ni obi a obetimi ai
Cause see about porn kotokode de besi bia na me de be why but kwaku we dey a quick one me na social media so that me who demonstrations are ekoso all over the country
all over
the country who ayi de ayi water there no hu nkran hanso there na me bisa me ho say e na ekoso e wo krom ha yi kwaku ya sumdwe mu o enti Ghana for me masa sumdwe na ya ni nso na yentram de just kwa kumise no se gidigidi ba kromane so bia nko busia mitimi nso waduro ni woma nso mani for 3 days ame enti the same killing one o ma killing kwa kude mi keto otemase enti yesra mo
unze the other day na ena akra no me start show ye no nkomo na me start ye say
yesra mo
me no de e your civic rights some be demonstrate on be dem but as I say ye peaceful in every part of the country baby on the demonstrative enye peaceful and I mean can say till almost demonstrators no KK na say bia baby say ho de emfa nko no person mo tra so anema police nso no sa no so ati menye sure say so share because obugu so no jubilate da bi
senso no mo di no mo shitai
tie no na no mo di gusu but enye necessarily on the people yes because omudu good time no so person omudu dum ja na ebinum so akogina mu no mo so eji omo ani omo na so share so ntimi kogina mu nyesa so
I think the Ghana ye nyi atwam wo sa de we
ena na me ka say
we be NDC kro headquarters no ni Supreme Court no mu nware o 5 minutes long etinim de dia wo ko court na very
and two better just one in baby court
na me say onko ko court man ka be boa sense no we ko
they say one or two no supporters na so opinion
na uza a picture exactly on social media no say who's offer Uber say the omo who's baby aka no wo any location no e calculate natural number of minutes I be take it from that point to now omo baby Uber no pa no request baby Uber no and NDC national headquarters and a location no yeah Supreme Court and also just 7 minutes away. But still, I said on a different road. Because
I will be a standing for boys.
Oh no.
I was standing for post be a 2 about school. Election Lusunya in is a crowd. Obia can say better. But
you see, Kwame, they are not making earlier and they say, maybe they are not make party leadership nature say, Omu Kasa, Omochita for Betty. It's a common Omochita for Kasa say. They have every right to demonstrate. Name mumuno. Omo ya baby a betrom sa had their mamon kono. They shouldn't go. Now fenso no omo nimraso and more shishi. Sata is that because dangerous. Say o dey say ankoshi bibi foforo kwa. Road na road no omo the time to so hye no. At the end of the day, almost say road no.
Oh, the way they are originalizing it. I can say yeah or no, and that is my fear.
Oh, me dey kwame no kwa no. And no make us it is still their right stay. Deputy, on be ye, na on be any peaceful omo ko say ade empra obi akwa omu na. And then they can still do it. But and make us say leadership no omo kasa. It will go down. They will listen. On one kasa be no be address you. Be ye no be catch you say. Or can they will listen? Me obi say me say me nya kasa ma for me nya kasa ma.
But you say I be politics but some people are.
But they be so okay man.
Me my 9 be peace ba. Omo nya so so ma won tem. So ati give basa basa papa na yem so no
abani unim say Sene West ana issue wo ho
yeah ma so mo abachiri
clear no omo amfa nka ho asem na kokko to man ne ya o magina so aka bibia NDC awini sa city
yeah
ene ya ma MPP
enti say for say yisi be certify be wie no city no be 137
wow
yeah
it did not just a mine be make difference no
oh yes
famina
yeah did that go cry yes onko
aduma cry just say when the car go follow
when the see which mu
yes sir
onyanya pu bi mu na odana
onya why bi sinye
friend no ka say be ntumi ba
ene we be say na je one day helicopter ko
ana we nkra no waka say obekọ no obetimi asesa na dream because oni party bi edi
oh anytime bia he wishes bia ono are say one year kra na on phone na obetimi aka so ene de me fa mamo Asamo.
Adi kro yegusu kro yedisi be asamo a yagigi bi ma wo monti. What is the street for?
Eno ne asoma nka mbeka say.
What is the street?
De omote ase amasem. Ekọ we no kra no eye MPP fo mum kra na de kọ.
Na de kọ court.
Na yewuli ama NDC. Yes, am na yedwuma okrum ha.
Yeah.
Eti mo bem na sa de tamo ne mra no enkodi nkomo.
Wana obisa ni.
People say ni pana wo street ni mo eso time.
No mo mu de
because opani ni bibi. So omno obi akasa. Who say dem MPP leadership ni bi ankasa wo jemu kasa. So far tell me some huni nyina no dem hwe wadom dem hwe wo city ni nyina no ordinary
asem na kan
and this asem na mekan the ordinary food soldiers no some of them when they are talking you understand say they don't even know the politics
obi okọ kasa crowd team say asem no kan no
obi dem make say what you say
odi be say watutu na ni are
chairman of this and I say almost say do ketia bi
the rumors all say obi o kasa say I'm
not saying so many, but some of them they don't know the politics, but they say they should go on the street. They are there.
So they are there.
So
that's why I said, say if leadership not saying catch what to do now, they will listen and do it. No.
Because so you go sweet, and we are getting our community so good.
Rubber bullets near the Efra.
Politician be a from a
shaman. Ministers near the
Omo when to take condition mu adakra say NDC ba power
cover na video e capture ni sisi
onya ni biem entu omo no omo tete dem odwen omo ho asoso AC so ati ase but omo e out there ye de omo yi no omo mom kura no say NDC ni ba aban mu kura na ono no kura wonya post bia
affect bronya
say na me enye tina ma no da mu ameka say
because I mean
and na me share program ya see no ane asem ana make
and the people are many kwaku me hani mani nka
ombema atete bronya no
it is security for no they should be up there again kwaku the koya pon
on point aka 3 minutes
now kotoko the 3 minutes
but there in there me dey ani arehwo be se no for say kumase sante kotoko dey here anye here 3 minutes there. Yeah, it's last minute go sir.
Jerry, tell Nana Sampo for J that we have a crucial African match on Wednesday, and most of our players are injured, so he should relax.
Relax,
Omo pe baby dey no.
Masa.
Omo pe baby dey no.
Yeah. Only players any register this season. Inte bia pra bi wo ho. So te ase. Sa excuse ne de kotoko.
Fabio Gama. Oba won keke.
Oh, ja Fabio Gama sem no. Yes, that bia na Brazil ni be emfa ko hye no.
Fabio Gama.
Opani even last season yeah. Kuru iba ya itwa de mu. Coach Masokuna still na enko yesa. Team no na enko yesa. What I say?
Okay, so analysis be aba.
Say them.
Me mo chiri mouse is here tell we just a minute.
Politics and a boy.
There be near politics. Or say Kotoko. Ball control poor. Passing poor. Except Sule's brother who is a good passer of the ball. Strikers. Energy. Strikers need the end there. Or say Aputo. Adoma Kwame Poku William Poku Mensa. Very bad. Coach. And also the NBU. Don't even know his players. Kotoko Pani. Signed by Apostle Augustine Smart.
I need to take comment in your life. Kotoko no wasa.
Aputo.
And they be show. They no make tell me answer or slick akra. On for they can say them. No wasre ne. And say na want me answer no. Kwaku Kotoko ntimi kai da 3 minutes na akara onye bi da. Ntimi fa na Kotoko a lose against a year Liberty. Miss Liberty Olympics. Enti na ho asem no ha so lose nra. E dey are hot.
Na say Chris Waddle say menka cho say aya memblemu coaches no say players no anya dia na ono de waka abribia say sa those days cause teams na wo na ye bo no it's about time say yes I revive no dia ye be koso abress ye nya players papa bia mo mutimi embo ye leagues no e mine na face no o mutimi ma Black Stars mu emeboa na etimi enko yi ban san so a fans bia so ni won be co stadium so mo match
any mama ne papa ne ye ne nkola bemu nkola ne nye so mo skills champion tinye bibia
na why ka so mo nye
oh
mama ne papa
and why bana to ba na na pempo wan ne ko mama ne papa
da bi omo tete ayi compound houses mu no ayi omo guso ye
baby am nti o de me de maka wan se
mama ne papa de
da bi wa wo fie de se o ma no nko na ho nti omo antimi rom but omo tete
mama ne papa de
obani enye tete ni man nyina
nkwala obi ekitanta
football course na hu hia ampeni fo guso aye se rom be but enye no nko an so ne sebi ekwanya ebetima fa se ne we amugbe amanfo mfa mu nkwa bridge de bia nkonko so ti ase timi en fa nche no nko an me masema me kan se team no unim die ntia me kama so asem ye to players nkofo because players ya moyere ho amuto also involved
Sano kan
also involved we involved fa
and we are all involved
and sanyo na minim say involved na so
sa
me we are all involved we are
na je suba uni bro kola bremu
we are sa kwa in a wonderland
in that building
and when you say kasimbi say be man ko fonko hebon no say ye ne aduana match no back ye ma say dey
mo ne aduana
corona o no
na je say has mo fam rakra nya
aduana has of folk ye kwa wait to ano ya aduana fo
ana say mo do am koy
ye hin na koy back ye ma say dey
na ebrekum die ya ye ne ebrekum asna akobo ye man bi wa brosan kase bi ho
e na wan ya bo mouse ro
no gigate fee o fee ho oje no abete na brosan no e say brosan no to so betre
eti third floor no
o man 20 no wuram yeah ho aboma say be no o mu gina ho no mo hwebo no na team na abone ka no
na so dey aboma o
stadium no
Jesus
o mu na journalist across the world because a top notch match
akwa mu nipa egu
ase uni
unim say grofo asha say ye omo FM station ID card
na najima badu back
ko kuram o hwebo no nyina no ayese de oron
committee so oboa
kwaku park na ye ma ebetimi ampani
o pebo ato ba no ma no so pe bi
asempani
for bo commanding grofo acho pe
wow
unim say ayi abogafo yi Koronia de nyina still bronyan ebinum atiasi mu a
oh yeah me bogus be
na ayi kra amowi kra frame so aba
I know
all town
amowi aba ontenenka
dabi
all town
sa
mentenenka
why fresh pa o top this
unda be
and then me hu na
oba mahumam na me ba na my late ntia oba mahumam so aba on frɛ odi an na nze asɛm wo
mentenenka ene se be na wan hu sa asɛm bia ho no utie mi aboma homa mu ai se vivi ozu utie mi a kire se me se omoma homa mu
se na ni kura be se kuru
sa boga papa
Italian burger mama mi ate
alright
na ai uko school we are boss speed
pacho debi
na the word one logo line what is that
matia bre
unim say enye brofo papa ne ka no za no
na logo nse
enye homologous line one homologous line but me every because
Google the word homologous no near internet access
enti boshim na yenhwe se de when kan ho
agogo na we
agogo
so Google na we
I know any that one homologous
anti bomb
or say having the same relative position or structure. What I say? The word is homologous line. But obia even teacher for cracker one logo la me kai pa teacher for come try ade no. I'm say when you
teacher for obia teacher na teacher teacher
tree na me come.
Jejeni
teacher nyeshi
atete for cracker say mon form one logo la. It a free na ekọ Adom FM so na me try man for say enye logo line. Eye homologous line.
Okay, enti ode homologous ya ba ide ene na ode we beto aso ama papa ni preku na
I didn't know papa ni
say una ode homologous ba enti no
was it good morning my brother
Sunday morning
the ode mami anopa no
may the ambiguous philanthropic concomitants of the Lord transact with you in all your endeavors and grant you peace. And then go to the okay.
Brofo de me carry pa also for God.
The great papa.
Oh, me brofo. So papa. So I no pa no tutu mama say na my dream wa me.
You come on match no. Na yapon na what ho head won kan tem say yapon. Abusuafo match me say the tintan to aba awie ye.
Tinton tanye tintanto.
Tinton was a tintan cry. Ya sakotoko. I went me antimu adabraka. To the new mobile anamoko. Sir. What did move across stadium? I didn't new equatorial basim. I insurance in you at the Accord Hotel Akoda. And there was a four and Kaboka Crow and said, you
cry on what you be where the Africa.
Oh, chia.
You're African,
Africa represents a account.
Ovation.
Never.
Yes, as an Nancy Canash.
You know the bomb brother.
And another Amiska.
For Africa. Apart from the Chama, or some of for Africa.
And I got Dinty.
Then I'm more mine in Casako. Last year's Adam, would you see that? I'm going to see Sikanash. Where's the most ever? Kwakuya say ya mekana mo semi Ballon d'Or. Ballon d'Or ya dream team no.
Ador the
Ballon d'Or.
Dior no die.
Ballon d'Or.
Dior da den on fresh. Oil be an answer.
Omo perfume sinyade.
Da be an Christian Dior no.
Oil.
Aha, na person kan. Dino, okay.
How you fine?
Who share akra bi chikosu bebre. Kaburi ya mama so a obenu ase na akota ase ho. Dino ni mu.
Na sawa mu na ngone kota ase de na money ase yes.
Unsusu hwi anwana.
Na de bia ye bia se ebe kwa ase.
Sabi kun so bitimi ye, oba wi ase ba en time de ndie bitimi ya. Betuma sa hwi.
Ene so hwie ngono bebre dodo. Hwie amana bebre. Wa mana ye overdose.
Obo audio phone zo.
Na mientie ada na walo no wadi kan bode abamu ama ya tibia wi afi walo
Ballon d'Or ya 11 Dream 11 na ya de Cristiano Ronaldo ani Messi account
utie wi dia afi do mieti
asama kai ga enye ayo che so wo che se ma me papa ene obi anye biom na so kwara abangra no omukura you stars kwara che
ofani ani ju
who is aya some anyo bi kwara be kai sa se ma wakan obi kwara kai mpo che se ayo beef papa
Prince Anna.
I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
Bogus in move.
I'm enjoying it. Thank you.
Me voice note in by come there.
I do money about you.
I was a me filter. I was a me filter.
Now, what's when I'm chromatic? You'll be a driving. You'll be at a motor with one. I'm so. I mean, actually, main road, you know, I'm
sad and new highways was driving you and new.
I could be a could care for being in a bus or quite.
I had in the news. No, mantem. Wouldn't mantem walk a crana.
So you are 90 mantem also see main road is not.
Oh, Debbie. Yeah, Unim. Well, but we know, according to the story, no. And yes, all drive nana. Yes, I didn't know crano. Omo driver for several years create me home. Omo chese car na cow got him. It's baby omo to ade just on few meters o. It na say omo for so. It do just add no small ya say you pure now for so team no. It say baby I can to say boom pa it me dia drivers baby okro mo nim sa ade no.
We instructor no. Yes instructor ten chain. Into instructor na come na mo the ocean driving no na amana yi.
So ni na be man ni ide.
Ni na askata o ko.
Ni na be man ni ide.
E ma re ho pa nyankopon fa kwala ni kransi me bompa se ne ma amene de ne ho ebeto no. Na wo je be ka ti asefo ho.
Nti je za kwala ndo kokra.
Kwala de se ni na dwini na eyi ba bon.
Oh gosh.
Eyi be gu abonten kra je se anya asem keto kra.
Aya semu.
Opani Maradona so ka say dancing of free mu. Ka say ni beto State House for about 3 days because we a legend. I don't know.
Was it 3 days? I think it was more than that.
Was it a week or 3 days?
3 days.
3 days. 3 days. Now, the body no, not my say on back conserve body no. Until my court say me na crab and then na court na rule say the body can be preserved.
And conserved.
Conserved to see a very good.
And I'm making.
You can check it out.
And I'm say
conserve preserve. So why you trying to bullshit my
oh. Now some of them man country.
Okay. And you go they say yes some conserve body and but you conserve body is na
because I na preserve usually a tie use for
preserve because you nyam ko shame no preserve
the bone near man no say they ade be shame say the ense no ne ade
no na be preserve because they two forever no dia the conserve is the right word.
Yeah
obi am language so na mo yam sa
ne support no so no nye di no ye
kwaku na me ba cho mo de to sa no aya no umunya de
bisa concert for ne
mo bi wo sa na to a say ya bo mo dia say yam peso obewu
on peso obewu say wa wu so say yam peso obewu
but peso still because the club say bi wo
why
ja saka obewu e club say club e fi
na say you know e wo mu so da wan pa
so still
o ba say dey wa pro
da bi wo say mu
wa pro
da bi so ma yen such a way say on pro
wo wu no she fridge
da bi on she fridge
ni ma ye no a da wa mutimi ko twehwe at the right time no so apia to
me I know that house
say o she mu more than 20 years
minim sa fie no makohu but oyamie so mama hu makohu sa we no
ye kro no see community center ma ya community center
one of the richest ko telefoni bi no pa no
o do skemu no muji o mudi sabi na mpesa bi menyi mi din wo hwini so skani bi a o hwe
oh na unti Oliver kan no o so di bru 40 ko ne dia enye bi mu
onye papa
sabi ya fi na o board down bi
da no was o wi ayi kro
foot is a cry to be
oba and wa ye wi a what she say we na
o di 40 ba na afi na be pass unya kuruma sa se kra
oh esasina ka no e wa echi but there wo krom no eno obeto age dollars the that krom no de age dollars what you say eh is a ground I was asa e bi da krom pa na ne bo no oh na say ba ku ya da green building che
na say me say ewura o
oh won ya to ho won na da but de ko ne ko tie dollar no obi ko tu no she
no ko so ka so say asase nya me dia na ko for to about this all I'm so sorry asase nya
na asase da ho jana ejira
menye kumasi asase no na me pass asase to kumasi na ko chembe say Bukrum side ho ti o kakra frɛ ho South Africa na guy na me call
oye ho hwie
o hia me ya na ye call o cheche ha afikra na we have to be hard to say hanum ye
prominent people on to pass as
I think as my make 2009 ho baby so ayi when there 12,000 I'm so my money 10,000 because baby I'm showing no I'm say
was 12,000 those days
oh yes and I'm say hey Yankopon abona asase e ka chem so ye ho hwe na asase no wo di bibi ka ho na say uyi wo te so no yi bibi afra asase ma na asa ye de dia na me se fa na me dam
afa kwaku ya say o man peninda da Jerry Rollins na you know ya postpone indefinitely
na de ko so we say this
the nim
da drink akranza
na papa we say na o tie so o ye ne ma so buru ni bibia no nka before say nka on buy ni toto sa
ya ba ko na
papa na kwa rest na e mo say ya san postpone
beni tiwe ya na the voice note bogus ni de papa
yeah nana asma mo kana e yampa o Dr. Buzia uko wantia o da hospital on senye hwe
what that was it what that was there
o kwa mo ye
oh yeah
you don't be mama do na no I not what I say one said that I mean for say sa on said that unya wu awu
nipa nya wu awanya wu say enkai dum bi na mbe e de asi obi na bibia obi
a so mu say library name
oh na
take you no say ma no
usia history a Egyptians no
oh omo de ende ho recently ya kra ayi foi won frɛ won sen Oh, there's a name for Sancrophone or Mutimi. Oh. Something logistic for EB. Oh. Archaeologists, right?
Archaeologists.
Omo koye we be kakra ko. Emom ko hu bi. E de ho nsem ba ne ade ade. Em say omo efi Germany also. Enti omo de no mo ye pa Egypt fon de. Ade ana onyin fa ni agro kra. But obende say ho ka no hadwin. Oh.
Kwaku na bronya ba yi we are where bronya ba.
I mean,
na Brunya memories kakra obese no hwehia na we akola
Brunya memories
na we akola na we eto Brunya tade ma
oh na eto bi mame Christmas do a eden a obenya Brunya tade ne mpaboa wanya hwe kra de Brunya tade ne mpaboa fresh de on sabeka new one pa na emu hwehwehwam sa na
me kapa na me antibilet fe ni sisafo a
I'm saying me kai say one Christmas be me collabo ni se mi bia na popi ye say oh Christmas really nothing for me me ra ho pa
eh
se me akọ
na to bro ya
collabo ni ntino oh ya wrong bibia ma nti obi a wo bronya items what I say na me nua no mu na obi a gene de sa na me
biscuit run
me jejina me o school mu a Piccadilly ho
yeah, check kwa fish apa.
But you only force your home.
Piccadilly force.
Piccadilly no say what the old box me only force so ho.
You check one our rubber mu.
And American.
And a force no.
I say show to ya. I need to show to you.
La unim say say no na for industrial use na when sama emi edin sa
no sama na usika beso so obako ni do ni siwa ye bu aso
eno ni e fa crack original one
oh as a phone yan kan kwa say and then from afar so a when je anki pri na from afar so na we di ko class me ye ko ni wo boys school ti we yin from akran fa ho I mean, I'm one miss school. To get it, what you know, what we from what was
I didn't empecra and say, would you soon be good garden, maybe answer? Why didn't say, would you go?
But you're making me. Of course, that
was an said, it's also some
TV. I'll say, I miss my childhood days. By now, my mom will use broom to measure my leg for my Christmas shoe. But she will still buy oversized.
Oversized, they do a night.
Oh, I to Olivia.
Especially, sorry.
That is a wood the moon.
Me can say not shaking and then lay a bubble moon. Back about first, one of our back count. Shaking in lane, they went about first.
Minim,
wouldn't shaking won't. Oh, but when you
shaking, but you're laying. Laying a back or bell in present.
But Lane said, what a
It's your time be on my bus.
Combination be by not laying or down, not shaking or top. Shaking the bump to lay no more down. Now shaking what?
Now a dream may be crying or laying, said Trada and Nabaco white,
Nabaco black.
It will shoe white to her, no, she black one. Oh, yes,
shoe no so.
Oh, life no. Oh, MC at times, that time MC Amanum Dinaswa. Embassy pleasure no near day. Oh.
A different shoes once a bit. Oh, come work.
Recent ones
be Bobby Brown's way.
Minimba. Recent ones he be na sneakers ni biwa and then will be a different color but the same way na bana
abada. Yeah, Palana open 1999 na wo.
1999 na akwala open. 40 years 99 na akwala. Sometimes now 20 years 19 now 22 grand.
1999
99 now to 20
no 2020 or 40 say
there was no woman
Open 19 now the only 2000 grand yeah 20 years now beto it over just now na ye nkwala ne hwana na ye
nkwala ya watam bi kwa na ye
23 years o ya akwala
na woman
also ye
so na 43 it will 20 no kura free mu aka say
kwa me new 43
Cano crane.
I'm quite on you, Hamio. Only 43. What one is a woo? Quite on you, any problem, ma'am. Okay. What could I make an say? You would one week. What could I make an say? No, so I had dirty jeans. What out jeans?
Dirty jeans.
Yeah, who could cheer at a chimwa. Ah, what could you go to what could you watch them wish we are bufra? Some because oh, jeans, no, sure. Dirty jeans, who any dirty.
Oh, nothing will be original cuz
what do you got original cuz work as a creative to 20 da wa now so na akọ one yam na ifi
sana na ede
now that you a guy that is the Christmas room your top be a guy now they see the
me pese mata de be fi no anya ho de kokwi eno tie mu ze nya de Jesus me shebi
this na jata di now what up and down and na top nko
me shedan kai ba me kai se na me sa jeans ni bi
Obeni
o de tie voice note no o sa
Udi Justice Anna Jackson.
Oh, do not attack Jackson. Jackson.
I didn't hear.
Oh, but do not attack a
oh, Jackson.
Jackson. Oh, Matia Bre.
And a bear changing.
Matia Bre.
So Justice,
maybe be on coming just so.
But you want a for Jingle for
Ofie Kwanso is me, you, Jerry Jackson, Kwame Obadia, and Nana Ajay. Big Sheriff enjoying the life at my residence.
I said, oh no, I'm ready. Why jingle?
Any packet to
Big Sheriff.
Oh no, I'm on FM.
Radio programs.
Oh man.
Mini baby friend Dr. Khan or London. On so here radio sir. I mean Chiano, na fe me chiam bogus aba mama one ni kunu omunyina Mr. Nyako omo town. Na fe Alex Minta. E brother ba kono so abelande.
Waka Alex Minta dey Eric Minta so fi Atlanta, Georgia. Alande, yeah, Alande, Boga town near there. On see mama kwaba. Ena Dr. Drew so if he Atlanta, Georgia, and also Alande sa near there. But I say,
any brilliant bogus about
more town.
It's a 150 and scam crop for
more town.
I just bogus music as some more for now.
More town.
150 mama.
Dear Cocaina. Be a better say, dear.
First, a white man or testy bibini.
Okay, so me a post bio me a post be on your friend saying Instagram anopay na mami emisa mo so na mama madwenche say ye tete ye twen crossover it first night unya crossover na usi first January num na chese 2021 no na ura 2021 mu ano na ya mount two options say either say obeko back to date your ex girlfriend or boyfriend and now say obeko back to 2020 as I live in 2020. These two options they will now be choosy. It can go back to ex. Obeko back to ex. Oh, Kwame, obeko back to ex.
We also need ex.
And here that is a 2020 now be say live be no.
2020. Over 2020, mom say corona ni ade aba but enye bad sir.
Was a fantastic year.
But mimi mom dey
say inipa ewu mu no. Ehu.
Mimi mom dey 2020 na mesan wrong. Oh yeah.
And now 2020 Bible so intem na yi a waji wani.
Me 2020 dey. Mesan I remember 2020 na ka mesan me come ex dey. Metra 2020 wa. Say X there say immediate there.
You are talking about access.
Me ga X6. Me say X.
Me
ko 2020 wa.
Akwala bi o say ni papa to digestive.
Dr. Pounds.
Papa say spell digestive was any to PK.
Pounds.
Kwaku.
Wakati no. Dr. Pounds was so onu momu there. Exercising was it 2029 come say e twatu ho no onu obi edi asebia asem but
say ex
but surprisingly omo on Instagram no enipa bebre na so say they will go back to their exes. So what I say so obese atan 2020 mu biem
dey no ex no ni ja
e tutu say we no ono a pewa kodada. So what I say ko dodo na so on be call back to their ex na dia tu say
wa fene dada na do mo beti
how can I accident you
and also o ko ya o san say ko ba bi o free one why
oba no ya bi da Don't give you a general condition.
Miss me no be any either.
Do you be a be astra?
And then I met
You break you.
I'm going. Or say, menu jazz. I
I said, we're not okay.
I say, who know me? You don't know the whereabouts of my ex. They're not agency.
Oh, give me like now, open us and ban again. So now, I won't say I would say again, go now, say I'm copy, but
oh, Nasendi, baby, AC, and the Tessipa. Oh, young be reading. Hey, Mr. Smith. Of Air Ghana immigration kutuka the oro any brain.
Okay.
Or say onumum dienka or back to 2020. Uncle Perry on the X no.
Actually show ni pa.
Organization way nipa bebre on 2020 now because 2020 fine.
No, they see Americano. Before we be about 2020 za.
Openi apart from say be oben opa wu bi na say. Yare bi che wa nyame nko a.
Yeah. Yes, I part there 2020 there. I can relive 2020.
X in the monk.
Na X there be me continue be.
So what if the X also goes back to her ex?
So now what can say more?
S for 5 na ban ho.
When never fanako.
Your wife is coming. The whole
anyways, I was your friends here near fast like I say my proud sponsors on boy Mede Gated Sports Bureau MasterCard on only the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Now say MasterCard is safe, secure baby ultimately do you media bia kama ya do to be near the free be near to be near there and I just say bibia echo ye na Nokia soon and or they Android phones about just what airborne mouth for power. Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, 132 gig and a 2.4 and also 140 64 gig and so available now. The onsabe can be an koye. Nina amount more megapixels and tino ultra pictures, new videos are dear fed, dear bad, dear by no announcer eka. Our long lasting batteries. Now you see to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps not perfectly well. On sa account there when you bejimu ye pa account for their more BBR. Now phone shops are only across the country. You say the new Nokia Android phone see ABFU. Oko doko traffic lights. Oko home Mrs. Obin Georgia phones or best sort out come on sabe count the Nokia. It just keeps getting better. Now as they do on comma Airtel Tigo or say life is simple. Nina say Nino obe enjoy free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. For 6 solid months. In Tibomodi amount sanka new Airtel Tigo sim one make transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now sorry no pa once wait me akasa for free. And no asemwa no. Go TV said big things are great. Intimate settle for small things. Bomodi answer will be choose to Go TV and they 109 Ghana cedis now on saka full set. Wait me upgrade to Go TV Max. Sebe Albania the best in sports, best in football, best in entertainment, in fact, best in everything. We in your papa baby and akotna while fee no I enjoy action in now on your Go TV. Obeti me connect to our bro using my Go TV app, pay by the point and I say any mobile money agent be or bell. Go TV, live it, love it. Papa's Pizza or say nay ultra discount kesepa. Obe enjoy up to 50% discount from Monday through to Thursday. Now, on sweating me at today on all our varieties and our feel so sizes and what your branches are all in them. It doesn't get any better than this. It is for niche Papa Space at branch BM. Yes, sir. Free 0241 150 555. No place you order. Where there, fala Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Terms and conditions. All right, there are two Aztec Properties. Yeah, ni what it is I say as you try junction. Yeah, they more man for 6,000. Yes. And they a plot of land 6,000. Not just say boko one are they saying. And so I see being so where dudu I be wa yikuma, ebi ochukuli, ebi ewo dowenya, ebi ewo Doim ebi wo Shy Hills ho nyina ne ade ya amanfo gusu atwa na won twa na oba na beto asase wen ho a ye mount 200 blocks na waje 10 bags of cement se be no betimi abo na wa share project no asentem oba Ostek Properties a yesisi adan bebiri ho a ye de rent eni obi ho nso a ye ton san so na mo akwanya se wo car obetimi as change car no for land na chese wona akọ wani mu no obemu ya chia kwan ododuwa ye ne fire service station no na edi enhwanim for Ostek Properties on 0240 933 748 and after 0266 101 406 Ostek Properties and Sasira, no doubt about that, and they will be to say yes we know Ujimuchimbia in ye now abusia happy birthday enko Emma Kwabena Sprite Boafo Amosa national organizer na chese nyame onhyira na onton kwandem na bibia anko yimo and se utie me na ope babia obenya niam papa e de asiesie ho na wadanso e wo wa ho fa na wasi wo asiesie ho a abusua fo ani chirem e wo Helen K Fashions Watermark Community 1 yeah mommy de niam na ba oh de ko oh na festive season ni watimi a looking good say ye casual and wo pashe ana classic ones binum ne ade party wears ne de kenka ho de obetimi de akọ adwuma oba e ba no skirt suit trouser suit ne de kenka ho office wear for ladies ni nyina ya available e wo Helen K Fashions unim say e ho ne de e man ne madwasuo kese papa the whole tema we are to sampa wona wo kro no designer leather bags and shoes papa bi ni nyina no egum atade bia opɛ for any occasion bia no ubawura mu Helen K Fashions a wonsa ebe kan de afi designer facial makeups Mary Kay Mac fashion fair no mu de ken kan ni nyina bi o na ba no eye agudi jewelries a wo de begugu hu ne ade a ni nyina so no papa no ewo ho your bridal accessories ewo ho wedding needs a hodo ni nyina ene Swiss laces papa bi na fe ban perfumes a wurade na no ada Versace bi yi ye perfume bi pa umian kakra bi se fem e je ho sa be 3 days na nkoe heavy pa na da form na hwam so kama pa je se ahodo pi na no e na ewo mu ewo ye Helen K Fashions a so betimi akọ na wakọ akọje ode ntini bibia ni a na wabọ awura mu ho Tema Community 1 former Kingsway building mu ene wo ye ben Modisco Electricals na fe Cash Forest Bureau obi so obi obetro enye san so ade frɛ 0540 924 445 and our fee 0244 467 353 numbers ni bim 054 092 4445 and our 0244 467 353 now on Helen K Fashions Eddie Inkita home now see am fanto amanfo nyina anim say Christmas yi by festive season ye gyina mu no obebie holidays ni nyina won beba adwuma including Sundays eti ye bebie mu a from anopa 10 akopma nwumre 6 obetimi aboro mu Helen K na waba beje onema bia wunya bia e de akobo life papa bi Helen K Fashions home of trendy and fashionable clothes great na enei said the daya meka no yempene Coca-Cola for no my idea the Coca-Cola Bottling Company of Ghana a partner with a Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund the company say betimi aboana ya fight against the spread of COVID-19 ewo yen asetremu it efisa abre yakopem June 2021 abribi obeto a bottle of Coke Fanta na say Sprite 1.5 liter no Coca-Cola for ebete 10 pesos efisesi kanmu na omode akwakoto Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund no na yetimi use sika no to support amazing initiatives meant to say the anti-stigmatization campaign, the construction of additional infectious disease centers and the cake happy na tikoswa na enjoy na in so doing also for contribute na yemfa eni djuma pa eti seye ema eye oman Ghana na MTN momo no ya catch that now this is just to remind you say any self activation will be to me chatum and once over star 170 hash for MTN Momo was select your 4-digit PIN number, then you re-enter the number to confirm it. We pay on come message no air confirming or activation, but say a message na bar now I contact you in various digital channels now where you see my MTN app no for further assistance na bibia so atimi akoyi the amount. Now, Shen was saying they would link your bank account no to your Momo wallet. Say by my brabono, I very easy the amount. MTN is your MTN Momo is your fastest, secure and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Abuja, obeje di say, yen na ye pe sports, yen na pe football in particular pa, but unze your other sporting activities one more amount for any jump pa. Nanso ne bet ya se ni ne ya akwa football nkwa ene bet we se wasesem ye mo akwanya ama watimi abet e wa ada disciplines mu a na ache se ni nanso betimi edisika pa e de afimu iti ene ye introduce sports casino games bet games ne they can be brave or your platform no so for you to bet on. So from football they call kwada sports near the even horse racing near the nyina ene utimi etwa bet no e de fa ho na che say udisika na wo kwa na wo wini so a ubenya wakatua no instantly via mobile money or EFT to your bank. Patro betimi akọ www.betway.com.gh to play today. And remember to bet responsibly. No under 18. Betway, for the love of the game. It is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Yenka wuto yeba na yenka diakano engum and no sia abo na ya sorry so. In fact, I'm out for sending messages bapa. Omo ebe call back to live in 2020 no. And no almost about running back to their exes. Wow, look. SMP. Anyways, yanshe na yankangu mzizia.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you are more megapixels. Nisenti e mau kwa maucha pictures ni videos pop heavy. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umiaswa. Let them Nokia batteries there we are signal di one dance here. One new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones Joe Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and our Nokia C2, and our Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bear. Najo Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
No pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million na ate what to say. Be emprenu. What mo? Hajia watch line mo.
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Ayo, sa pepe. Say wuto Airtel Tigo sim. Now the Airtel Tigo money no did you me bia and no calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Spread the news here. Now wa weni tia. Konkonsano gele. Kojo Airtel Tigo sim and ya.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Majami who already.
Daddy, wait ya wa. So we should be a wonfa. And Kenya ni sasa se baako. Ya twama ni pada brode wo ho. Ya sama langard fo brim wabisi. Na Ostek property for na me kase ko ho mo. E kwesi sen.
Na say me kuta 6,000 Ghana cedis pa. Metumi anya sase wo Ostek properties.
Ania, se me ka kire. Ko me sase no so di yi ankasa. Jojo wa Asabi Shy Hills. Afie ayi kuma. Asutwari Junction. Eni chopoli airport nyina. Omo wan sase wo.
Me kumi kura ni 200 blocks. And 10 cement bags.
tax. What else has no? Almost Sunday P so free ho.
Asa no dey bonus. Wo car. Na so person wo so apedi just simple. E ya ma dodo. Say dan na wo patron. Na wo pa high. Free Ostec Properties.
One more office no do. One more fair service no opposite. 0240 933 740 and 0266 101 406. Ostec Properties.
Voltic 500 ml bottle for Fronodier. Yate plastic no so 7%. Eye eco-friendly. Insuno dear. Eye Voltic in super na winim da danwao. No Voltic abuju super pano bienne. Twist bottle no. Na recycle. Voltic naturally. Enkatoi. FDA ashishemu ajiatum.
Otopia ni hwa te se enado opia so ntumi embo wo hoban se nya wa wo beye embo samre yi pa ni hia se ye bo ye ma hoban efi bi biara ebetumi ama omo ayare enuti na ye di iron with vitamin C and D aka ni do ho a ebo abo omo hoban ma wonya ni pa nyani nruwo mu ma wonido Nido, your love, their future. FDA ahwehwe sai gade nkrato yi mu age atum se eye.
Fellow Ghanaians, how would you want to end an eventful year?
To stay home,
keep safe, and still have a good time
at the MTN Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols.
Yes, let's climax this year with a bang as we sing and make merry at the MTN Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. Let's have a jolly good time with the sensational MTN Viva Voices, El Dunamis Choir, MTN Hitmaker Proteges, Curl Songs, Last Mid, Adipa, and the award-winning Kwame Eugene. So, on the 18th of December at 7 p.m., make a date with us on Facebook and YouTube for an unforgettable night. Stay home, keep safe, and enjoy a night of pure bliss.
We're there for you, everywhere you go.
Ofie Kwanso, with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I love you, guy. I could see don't let me down. I did feel you don't be like.
Ofie Kwanso, with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
If you know them, my body, my mind, go they bust you.
Take care of you, yeah. You don't go hurt, I refuse, yeah. I never blow you no fuse. My chica bonita be you. I'm gonna take care of you, yeah. You don't go hurt, I refuse, yeah. I don't go blow you no fuse. My chica bonita be you.
Boy, you know I love you forever. Baby, all I do it for you. Boy, you know
Ofie Kwanso. With the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
justice.
Make you no leave me alone, alone, alone. Make you no leave me alone. Make you no leave me alone. Make you no leave me alone, alone. Under the well, girl, if you want to go, tell me make I know. But don't you come back, oh. Well, I thought you said you know they want my dough. Oh my baby, mo, why you do me so? Well, come see, when I turn big man for the country. Make you know they try call me honey. I no go give you one city, baby, but if you go there, I go there. No be today, where I dey pray to make you my baby. Oh, I don't be my baby. See you no feeling me, love me, love me. This is the strength of the woman. Nobody better than the boss chick. All the ladies in the fight for the nobody for touch. Consider the wrong quick. Self-made. What's the mentality? But she be well paid. On the boy, she looking for help, mate. Cause she know they suffer from sulfate. And when you are hell late, she go pull up on you. What's up with friend and I want my work? Cause I wanna say, good day, you my yard. I'm a hang up on you. When you want ban, I would do. I'm gonna kick and I would die. They say, I got love for you. That's a get the work I got. This is still I was so we came out with ya. She go right up, die for you. They say, right up, die for you. Tell me, I got the love for you. My last one, CD, I have a bet on you. You got my body tap and I just in the gas and go the place where you can go.
Ofie Kwanso with the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
So fine, so fine, so fine, so
she got it all within the shoe and I was sorry. Very confident, she never wear a frown. On Pessy Kabuja, no crash, don't go worry. Oh, yeah, the dream, I got the money on her own. Did the nature crash, she go treat you like a king. But you don't get it if you don't deserve the throne. Man, I come across money, anything. We ain't come a man, I'm going shopping with Dubai. I'm going to find my baby count to multiply. We you do my back, got another on the side. On your know my girl, she can't be taken for a ride. You know, go if you pay the price.
Girl, you know, me, I got the love for you.
My last one, CD, I got bet on.
You got my body tap and I know just any girl can go the place where you can go. Girl are independent and you buy your own things and no man never rent you no can do.
Oh yeah, come on.
So far,
come on.
so far, come on. So far.
Yeah, come on, the Christmas na ashisha. And the office be now our town. What do I say? But let me ask you this question. What's on your mind for these holidays? Are you gonna pamper yourself a little bit? Or maybe you're trying to get yourself a smartphone, a new one, a stylish one. And then you what 20? What 20? Missing what 20? Bamadia, no barem. Samsung shop will be a na ekoto eye Samsung Galaxy device be a opebia. Now the woman say every Samsung Galaxy device be a betobiano. We are giving you so many awesome gifts for free. Yes, so go to any Samsung shop and get any Samsung Galaxy device of your choice. And then in addition, Obabenya a gift baby ranging from free screen repair vouchers, PIDMA Nafe wireless chargers, battery packs, phone covers, screen protectors, and so many more. Wanted December, you always remember. She said, you never forget. And then now it starts with Samsung. Yeah. Terms and conditions apply, do. Yeah, no action to do. In no time, Sister Sandy be a guy. Better not say. Nah, you're wrong. Feel I know the amount. Hey, today is Thursday. Y'all, excuse that lady. Let her have it.
I'm so excited that my American brother is here. We just want to show y'all that we can speak the English. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what we do on Thursdays.
Like, we're gonna show them like Americans, we can speak the English very well.
Oh, yeah, for real, yeah.
We ain't playing, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
We're not playing at all.
At all, yeah.
You know, like I want to go straight to Brooklyn.
That's what it is.
I'm not in Ghana at the moment.
I feel you, yeah.
I'm talking straight out of Compton.
I know what you're talking about. Ain't no need to explain yourself.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, you know how to do it in terms.
They know what it is. They know what it is already, yeah.
Big boy, you ain't got to shout.
Yeah, I got you.
You ain't got to shout, you know.
So are you gonna activate the phone lines?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Or let's do our thing.
I mean, whatever you want us to do, I'm ready for you.
So let's do our thing. Let me give you the platform. Let me give you the opportunity to say something to you. You know, those that wish you a happy birthday yesterday.
Okay, so you know how we do it. You know how we do it. I was born and raised in Presbyterian Church of Ghana. I said, "Decade, when my trade young pon young kupon." No, backwards. You know how am I supposed to say?
You gonna say, babe? I was born and raised in Ashdown.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I babe. Yo, Jerry Justice. You know what I'm saying?
Today is the day.
Yeah.
Today is the day the Lord. That all Americans.
No, wait a minute. If you want to slang it.
If you want to slang, yeah.
Today's the day the Lord has made.
Yeah.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Today is the day
not
the
today
Lord
is the day.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Jerry, yeah, you gotta say it for us. You know what I'm saying?
You want me to say that for you? Okay, so okay, go on, bro.
Today is the late.
I need that still. All right. I'm gonna do that for you. Yeah.
Today is the day the Lord has made.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if I was
Jay, I want to give you a passport and visa so you can visit America. You know what I'm saying?
For sure.
I need you to start Kumasi.
Yeah. I got some stuff there that I need to. Yo.
I'm missing. What's going on?
No. I still want you to be in that mood. I mean, show some appreciation to those that shout to you yesterday. Yeah.
Everybody. And he does still wanna impose on my ride.
Yeah.
But I'm not allowing it.
Yeah, I know.
Bro.
Yeah.
So a big thank you to everybody for showing me love. And from the deepest side of my heart.
Sure.
I'm so grateful. I'm very grateful.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be Ghanaian at this moment because the love shown is too much.
Sure.
I don't feel like going back to US again.
Oh, okay.
I feel like staying down here.
Oh, just a waka.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to go back to the state. I want to remain a Ghanaian.
I got you.
So big thank you to everybody for the love. And if I've not responded to your message, you ain't got no problem at all. I'm still gonna do so.
It's just that you got quite a lot to do.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm
I'm still responding. I'm still responding. I've got my love for them all.
Keep
I just
responding.
saw my daddy's message.
So as you leave here, to cross the street to the TV, you keep responding to them, and when you're done and on your way home, you keep responding to them, and when you return to bed, that one too, you keep responding to them. Yeah, I mean you gotta do it. No, you gotta do it.
Besides, I'm crossing the street. You want me to respond to messages?
You got a lot of love out there on the street.
God.
So this is the time for you to show them that you love them too, and you appreciate whatever it is that you're doing for you. Yeah.
I got a lot of things to do.
Yeah,
a lot of things. And I'm gonna do that.
Quite a lot. So you gotta do that.
Yeah, bro. So I'm gonna leave you right now, right?
All right.
So let me go catch my flight.
Sure.
You like the English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, America in the building. I'm out of here.
All right, baby.
Ow.
Take care of yourself. Okay, so let me do something special for you today, Sandy. Let me do this one for you. Yeah. Let me do this one for you, baby. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, Sister Sandy, be a guy. Oh, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, baby.
It's a new me. I bet he's in here.
I hit your drum.
1 year, no bet you. I bet he's in that. And you're not hit it. Remember from.
Oh, man.
I'm not your love woman.
Anyway, yeah, fast that can say my Vodafone Vodafone say and can show say nay, so you see Vodafone cash now this and this can move your Vodafone cash where you're free. Yeah, and Joe charges be same way when you send money from Vodafone cash to any other networks, it is absolutely free. You don't pay a dime. Yeah, that's what it is. So dial *110# to send that cash for free right now. Ready? Yeah, woman in there, no. Yeah, kainya me pa. My life is in your hands. Now there's crazy discounts out there for you.
For your life is
our favorite neighborhood store, Spa Citidia Supermarket, and they are at it once again. Aside bringing you the global retail brand Spa closer to you, and they are offering you something crazier. Yes, you heard me right. It is a crazy discount day at Spa Citidia Supermarket today. Nothing gets better than a 25% discount on purchases, 100 cedis and more. Be reminded, says how far away is just for today only. It's Econoco Shop it. Now what me I enjoy a 25% discount on a purchase of 100 cedis or more. It sounds unbelievable, but it is for real. You know what I'm saying?
I know that
all you need to do is to spend 100 cedis or more today at any Spa Citidia Supermarket branch here in Accra, Dowenya, and Chebi. Spend today at any Spa Citidia Supermarket branch and get a crazy discount of 25% off your purchases. Take note, says our offer away is not available on items already on promotion. ATBB, then you talk to our sales assistants for clarity. And be reminded that Citidia Supermarket is becoming Spa Market. Spa, my market. Terms and conditions apply. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we getting ready to wrap it all up and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to you, Kwabena Sprite Boafo.
No matter what,
Amosa National Organizer, Chairman of Amosa Youth Worldwide. Enjoy your birthday. Tell them something. With him, I know I can stand.
No matter what may come my way.
No matter what may come my way. My life is in your hands. Oh, let's take it to church, baby. Tell them.
They seem to get you down. And all your friends and loved ones.
All your friends and loved ones.
They're nowhere to be found.
Remember there's a friend, Jesus.
Oh, I love him.
Who will wipe your tears away.
I know he will. And
if your heart is broken,
this is all you have to do.
Just lift your hands and say,
come on.
Oh, I know that I can make it.
Don't you give up. I know
that I can stand.
Hang on, joy is coming. I know.
No matter what may come my way.
Jesus, my life
it's in your hands.
With him, I know I can take it.
Ofie Kwanso, with the man, Jerry
with
Jackson.
Him, I know I can stand. No matter what may come my way.
Jesus, my life
it's in your hands.
Every person that's going through, lift your hands and say with me, I know I can.
That I can make it.
I got a witness in here somewhere.
I know that I can stand.
No matter what may come my way.
No matter what may come my way.
Jesus, my life is in.
My life is in.
Oh, I love you so much, Jesus. With you, I know I can.
Bless your name, Jesus.
With him I know I can stand. No matter what may come my way. No matter what may come my way.
Hallelujah.
My life is in your hands.
Come on, let's sing with me. I know. I know you can make it. I know you can.
I know that I can stand. No matter what may come my way. My life is in your hands.
I know I can take it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already, yeah? Yes, time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with the Thursday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Many thanks to you and you for spending time with us. And to the team, Papa Bills African, to James Town, J. Cole, to Prince, to Nana Sample for J. Kwame Obuade, and of course my girl, Sister Sandy be a guy. Your friend me, Jerry Justice. As always, wish you on na wachiano, na wasiri atrem. It's a serious simo. Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us, and do have a great evening.